Are your employees disengaged, stressed, maybe they're even eyeing the exit? It probably shouldn't come as a great surprise though if you look at the statistics in Gallup's latest State of the Global Workplace report, which reveals that around just 31% of employees are engaged, whilst a staggering 52% are actively seeking new jobs. And here's another staggering statistic, because this disengagement is costing businesses in the region of $8.9 trillion globally in lost productivity. But here's the game changer, because 70% of team engagement variance is directly linked to managers. So let's just look at a couple of ways that you could become the leader that your team needs. Inspire hope. Communicate a compelling vision that ignites passion and purpose. It's not enough to keep telling people what to do. They have to be able to see the big picture. Build trust. Clearly, that is not something that can happen overnight, but by being transparent, being consistent, and reliable in your actions, you are going to gain the trust of your team. Showing compassion can be very tricky because some people feel vulnerable. You might feel as if your team is seeing you as being weak. But I can promise you that if you're able to understand and address your team's individual challenges and needs, if you look at this from a what's best for the business and what's best for my colleagues' perspective, you will end up winning. And finally, to the extent possible, if you can provide some sort of stability by offering clear expectations and support to create an environment where people feel safe, where they feel that they can communicate with you openly and honestly, again, you'll be going a long way to increasing the engagement of your colleagues. Being a leader, being a manager these days, it's not easy. But by embodying these qualities that I've spoken about, you can transform your workplace culture, you can boost engagement, and you can drive exceptional performance.